Hi everyone, welcome to Circuit and Signal. In this video, we will learn about how to create a project in Vivado. So without wasting any time, let's start. So before creating a project, we have to see what is a project. So project is basically a folder that contains design module, test bench, simulation result. What is design module? Design module is the main Verilog code that describes the functionality of a circuit, digital circuit. It contains input, output and internal logic. In short, a design module is a Verilog module that describes the functionality and the structure of a digital hardware circuit. Now, what is a test bench? Testbench is a simulation program that provides input to the digital circuit or design module that observe its output to check if the circuit works correctly or not. So the main characteristics of a test bench is there is no input output port. It used only for simulation. It generates test signal and it displays and record the output results. So in short, a test bench is a Verilog program used to verify the functionality of a design module by applying test input during simulation. Now what is simulation result? Simulation result is the behavior of a digital circuit shown by the simulator when the test input is applied. It tells us whether the design works correctly or not. Basically, we can see the waveform in the simulation. So when we write the truth table of any digital circuit, we see the output. So in simulation result, we can see the output of that digital circuit in waveform. This is how a design module looks like. And this is how the test bench looks like. And this is how the simulation result looks like. We can see the waveform here. Now I will open the Vivado software to see the project. So to see how to create a project. I have opened the Vivado software. Here is the create project option. Once you clicked here, the option will come create a new project, Vivado project. So click the next. Now you have to write the name of the project. So I have named it Logic Gate. Logic Gate. So then you have to click next. So you have to select the project type. I have selected it RTL project type. Next. Here is the parts or board option. That is not required now. I will tell about the boards and parts in the upcoming videos. So next, finish. It is open. Now here is in source option, here is a plus sign. You have to click, then you have to create a design source. In this project you have to create a design source, so you have to select this one, add or create the design source. Then you have to click next. Here you have to create a file. You have to select the file types. There are many options like Verilog, Verilog header, system Verilog, VHDL. These are also the different HDL programming language, system Verilog, Verilog, VHDL. So I will write in Verilog language, so I have selected Verilog. So you have to write the file name. File name I have written Logic Gate. Logic Gate. Okay. Then press OK. So file is created. Finish. So you have to select the input and output port here. So I will create a AND gate. So you have to select two input AND gate. So A is the port 1 and the port 2 is input port, is another input port is B, and the third one is output port, that is Y. Okay, it is updating. Now the design source is created, that is logic gate. So you have to open the logic gate. The module of the logic gate is created. So you have to write the Verilog code for AND gate inside this module. What is module and how to create a module, that I will discuss in the upcoming video. This video is mainly how to create a project. So I will show you the how to create a project, how to create a test bench, and how to simulate it, and how to see the schematic. I will discuss in this video. So write the Verilog code for AND gate. So you have to write assign y equal to A and B, capital B, sorry, then semicolon. Semicolon is very important, and you have to see one green dot here. That means your code is correct. There is no syntax error. If there is red one, I'll show. If you don't give any semicolon, it will be red. That means there is a syntax error. So you have to put the semicolon. See, it will become green. So you have to save this project, save this design source. Save. Here is the save option. Once you save the design source, you have to see the schematic. Here is the RTL analysis. Under this, open elaborate design. Here is the schematic option. So you have to click the schematic. Okay. It will take some time. See, the schematic diagram of AND gate is here. Input A and B, AND gate, and output is Y. So now we will write the test bench of this AND gate. Basically, we have to give the input just like a truth table and see the output and check whether the logical circuit is working correctly or not. So writing the test bench, you have to again select the plus option. To write the test bench, you have to select add or create simulation sources, not this one that create design sources. You have to write the simulation sources. So add or create simulation source. Next. So create file, and I will write test bench. Okay. Finish. So I have earlier told you that test bench does not require any input output port, so you have to click OK. Yes, it is updating here. So now you have to open the test bench. So test bench is open. So you have to write the test bench as register A, B. So what is register? I'll tell in the later. In the upcoming video, I will discuss what is register, what is where, everything I will discuss. Next, logic gate UUT, unit under test. You have to keep the same name what you have given to the design source, that is logic gate. Here it is also name is logic gate, and this one is capital A and this one is capital B, capital B. Right, dot A comma dot B dot Y. So why you have, I have write dot A bracket A dot B dot bracket B, that I'll discuss in the upcoming video. Now bracket close, semicolon, next initial beginning capital B equal to 0 semicolon B equal to 0 semicolon. I have to copy this one. I have taken 0 0, now I will take 1 0. You can see the similarities in truth table. This one is it is exactly like the truth table 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, now if you don't write the finish, it will continue the 1 1 value. Now you have to end the okay. Here is one error, you can see the red one, that means there is some syntax error. Okay, there is semicolon missing. See, it become green, that means there is no syntax error. So you have to save the test bench. So I have saved the test bench. Now we have to run the test bench. So here is run simulation. So click the run simulation option to run the test bench. Run behavioral simulation. It will take some time. It is coming. So it has come. See the test bench, that is the test bench simulation, sorry, that is the simulation of result. Here you can see the value for A equal to 0, B equal to 0, output is 0, A equal to 0, B equal to 1, Y is output is 0, A equal to 1, B equal to 0, output is 0, for 1 1 value output is 1. It is AND gate. So that means our design is correct. So that's all for today's video. I hope this helped you to understand the topics. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.